Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. Today we're going to be moving with a short class focusing all on core work using a small ball. Now we're going to bias this a little bit more towards working the abs, but overall this is going to be a very short, very effective workout and very focused on your center body. If you're ready to get moving, grab your ball and join me on the mat. Let's go ahead and begin laying onto your back and placing the ball between the thighs. Take some breath for yourself here. Inhale. Exhale. To begin with, I want you to notice the weight in the head, the shoulders, the arms. As you continue breathing, the weight across the spinal column and the pelvis. For the first few exercises, we're going to keep all those points of contact the same, whether heavy, lifted, or light. And as you keep breathing, gently squeeze in on the ball and release. So you have a press in on the ball, release. And sometimes it's nice to think that you press in on the ball and imagine it pulling up towards the abdomen. So it's a kind of press in and lift up. And with this gentle press, again, nothing else in the body is starting to grip or overwork. We want to be aware of that. As we go into the next exercise, you press in on the ball, keep that gentle press, and bring your legs to tabletop, shins parallel to the floor. Press in on the ball deeper, open slightly, press, release. Keep breathing. So right now, head and shoulders get to stay down on the mat. Just a few more times. Going to maintain the gentle press in on your ball and start arcing the thighs away from you and bring them back up. So the toes will start dipping down to the floor, and it doesn't matter if they reach all the way down. Go more for, again, keeping the rest of the body really still, maintaining gentle squeeze on your ball. You may notice a little bit of shaking. This is hard work right here. Let's just do 2 more times, 2. And 1 last time, 1. Very nice. Take the ball out from between the thighs and place it behind your upper middle back area. You want it to feel comfortable. Hands behind the head and let your spine stretch over the ball. So you can roll on the ball so it truly does feel comfortable. You may stretch the shoulders and chest a little bit. That's your bonus. And as you exhale, curl up into your upper ab curl. And then extend on over, inhale. And let's do that again. Press evenly into the feet, curl up. Then extend on over. So not trying to move quickly here. That nice spine extension over the ball and then a little curl up. Let's do 2 more times. And next time you curl up. Let's stay here. So curling up, lift one leg up, toe taps. 2, 3. Switch sides, lift. 2. After your third one, lift both legs up and switch and switch. So alternating legs a little bit more quickly now. Still breathing deeply. And now reach one leg in front and switch and switch. Trying to touch the opposite side of the room with the toes before you pull the thigh back in. One more time each side. Very nice. Bend both knees, feet down on the mat. Give yourself that extension over. One last time, extending the spine. Take another breath here. Very nice. Remove the ball from underneath the back. Place it back between the legs. Gentle squeeze in on the ball. Press evenly into the feet and just lift your hips up. Keep your hips lifted and press and press. So little presses here with the hips staying lifted. We're letting just our center recover a little bit before the final few exercises. 2 more times. Very nice. Lowering spine down. Bring legs back up to tabletop and find the press. Press. So back to presses. In on the ball. Still maintaining natural curves of spine. Maintain the press in on the ball and reach legs away and back in. Legs can go higher to the ceiling, lower to the floor. Just keep breathing, maintaining gentle squeeze on the ball the entire time. 2 more times. 2 and 1. Very nice. Now remove the ball. Press legs together and press the ball into thighs. Thighs into the ball. Curl up towards the legs and you're finding this press. Now pull the thighs in towards you more so the ball is coming in closer. We'll take the elbows to the ball. Hands come behind the head. Not to pull on the head. Just find that press in with your knees and curling up towards the ball. Now rotate ball to one knee. Open opposite elbow. Here's our crisscross. And bend back into center. This is slow. Switch sides. Slow, intentionally so. So press and rotate, and then come back to center. If you'd like, link it with breath. Exhale. Inhale. Press, 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 press. Now next time we rotate to your first side, we'll stay there. So stay rotated, find that press, and press knee in deeper, elbow curl. Press and curl, press and curl. Come back center, switch sides, find that press and curl. Press and curl, press and curl. Come back center, stay center, press with your thighs. Head is not being pulled by the hands. Take another breath. Lower yourself down. Very nice. Take ball back between thighs and find the press with inner thighs. Press. So that was a strong work for your center for sure. Breathing. Take legs to tabletop and keep press, press, press. And still you're breathing. Maintain the press, arc legs away, maybe a little bit more challenging this time and right back up. Arc legs away, bring thighs back up. Using breath in and out. We're almost there. One last time. Very nice. Take the feet down, lift the hips up. And let your pelvis rest onto the ball if that feels comfortable. If not, you can do this without the ball. And just let yourself feel really stable here. Extend one leg, flex the foot, and pull opposite thigh in towards you. So if it feels too wobbly, a little bit too precarious, no ball. Just reach along with that leg, reaching along the floor. Now switch sides. So I like to switch both feet flat and then opposite leg goes straight. Pull in. Heel reaches, reaches. You did all the hard work. Now let the hips open a little bit more and stretch. This is a nice stretch to do even after a long day if you just do this. Take another breath, both feet down, inhale. Exhale. You can definitely stay here for as long as you'd like. And if you want even more core and ab work, feel free to take a few more deep breaths in this position, and then repeat that class all over again. I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon.